Hello friends, today we will make a project that will help us know the humidity and the temperature of the live location. Now I will be showing you the devices used for the project. This is Node MCU, this is OLED screen 12C with 4 pins. This is humidity and temperature sensor DHT11. Center pin is for data. Now we will be wiring first the OLED screen with Node MCU. OLED screen has 4 pins: ground, VCC, SCL and SDA. Now we will connect the ground of the OLED to the ground of Node MCU. Now we will connect the VCC of OLED to 3 volt of Node MCU. Now SCL pin will be connected to the Node MCU D1 pin. After that, the last pin SDA will be connected to the Node MCU D2 pin. This is the last pin which will be connected to D2 pin. Now the connection will be made for DTH11, which is humidity and temperature sensor with Node MCU. DTH11 has 3 pins: ground, data and VCC. First, the connection will be made of ground of sensor to the ground of Node MCU. After that, the center pin of sensor, which is data pin, will be connected to the D3 pin of Node MCU. And the last pin of the sensor VCC, which will be connected to the 3 volt of Node MCU. Now the wiring is completed. Let's upload the program. You can get the program code from the description. This is our program which we are running in Arduino with Node MCU. Let's start uploading the program in ESP12E. The uploading is completed in ESP. Now we will reset the Node MCU to make the program work and show us the temperature and humidity reading of live location. So this is the temperature and humidity